Bose noise-canceling headphones 700 deliver everything you expect and things you never imagined possible. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your headphones. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside, you will find your protective carry case. Open it to reveal your Bose noise-canceling headphones 700. Remove the Quick Start card and then lift open this flap to find a USB charging cable and an audio cable. Back inside the box, you will also find a Quick Start guide and important safety information. Now let's connect your headphones with your mobile device. Pick up the headphones in a way that avoids your fingers accidentally pressing any buttons. Make sure that the correct cup is in the correct hand. Place the headphones over your head and slide the cups down until they cover your ears. Adjust until secure. Press and hold the powered Bluetooth button until you hear
"Ready to connect,"
and the Bluetooth light slowly pulses blue. In the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device, select Bose NC700 headphones. For even more functionality, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button and then select Headphones and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your headphones. Once they appear, tap Connect. You'll be asked to press and hold the Bluetooth button on your headphones. Follow the remaining app instructions to complete setup. Once connected, the Bluetooth light glows solid blue, and a voice prompt announces the connected mobile device.
Connected to Nix Phone.
To charge your headphones, connect the small end of the USB cable into the USB-C port on the right ear cup. Connect the other end into a USB-A wall charger or computer that is powered on. While charging, the battery light blinks white. If you're in a bit of a time crunch, a 15-minute charge will power the headphones for up to 3.5 hours. When the battery light glows solid white, your battery is fully charged with up to 20 hours of wireless playtime. Your Bose noise-canceling headphones 700 are now set up. For additional support, visit our website